Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to move rows up and down in Excel. Access your Excel where you will see the rows to work on. After this, select the row to move. Then press the Shift key on the keyboard, and in the row when you see the cross sign, move the row to the location you need. Repeat this step to move it wherever the row should be. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.